Hi everybody, this is Guangzhou Tycorun Energy Co. Limited. Today I will introduce you how the 12.8 voltage 24 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery is assembled. Firstly, the nickel piece is used to connect the battery cell in series and parallel through welding. And then, the data question wire is used to weld the positive and negative electrodes of the battery pack. Secondly, fix a BMS that monitors the battery running states in real time and protects the battery strength from overcharging, discharging, overcurrent, and overtemperature on the battery pack. Then weld the positive and negative battery string wires to BMS. Connect data acquisition line port to the BMS to test the battery voltage and resistance. And seal the exposed wiring with isolation and waterproof adhesive after the test. Finally, the battery pack is fixed with waterproof glue in the battery box. After 3 hours of drying, a battery that can be recycled more than 2,000 times is assembled. If you have any product-related questions, please connect us. Thank you.